Our nation today is tested on many fronts: our territorial integrity, economic activity, and global pandemic. It's a great challenge for all of us. But today, I feel we are more optimistic about the future of our nation than ever before. Never ever in the history of our nation we have seen people adapting to changing conditions in such a short time and building ways to thrive in the new landscape. Today's challenges will blossom into opportunities and bring in growth, which would be the greatest of our lifetime, and our growth story would be a part of larger Indian story. Today, imperfections of man and limits of reasons should be set aside to believe in our belief of limitless growth. As we stand by each other in these testing times, it is equally important to hope and dream of better times ahead. In our growth series today, we have with us Mr. Pankaj Poddar, who is the CEO of Cosmo Films. Pankaj, with over 2.5 decades of experience, has been instrumental in his contribution to FMCG, packaging, and automotive business. Welcome to the show, Pankaj.
Many thanks, Pankaj. I look forward to it. Thank you.
So we start with our first curiosity. How do you see the growth of films business in the next few quarters? So when you talk about packaging films or lamination or industrial films?
Yes, so we see growth happening for one simple reason that customers are looking for more hygiene, and therefore consumers are looking at packaged products. So that's one very strong reason. The second thing is that many of these packaged products, somewhere or the other, also provides an entertainment opportunity to the consumers. Mm-hmm. The customers were going to restaurants and hotels and so on and so forth, which they cannot go now, and therefore they are trying to entertain themselves with packaged food at home itself. So I think both these things are going to be favorable for our industry, and we expect that demand should grow a little better than what it was growing before.
Okay. So you are very optimistic about the growth. So when you are so optimistic about the growth, what do you talk about? If you could talk about the opportunities which pandemic has brought to you, and what kind of transformations is required to leverage this growth opportunity?
Yeah, so we saw a lot of opportunities actually coming on our way. We were very quick to start working on them. We started doing calls with the management to really see that what can be done. One very super thing that we are about to launch is an anti-COVID film in itself. There are a couple of suppliers who have come with antibacterial things or antiviral things, which we already also have brought to the table and are about to start commercial launch. We have made a product which we feel is anti-COVID, and unfortunately we could not get it tested in India, so we have sent the product to Germany. Mm-hmm. And the result should be out in a month's time. Mm-hmm. That we are going to sell in various applications. One is obviously within the film, where anywhere there's a touch and feel, it can be used. So let's say you have seen these days people are putting it on their lift buttons, putting it on the tables, it may have tremendous applications in itself. The other thing is we have also come with this coating for textiles. Mm-hmm. So we also use it for the face mask, make it anti-COVID product, make it for clothes so that they do not catch COVID itself. So this will be a very large innovation, and hopefully we should be able to launch this product in a month's time. Within specifically COVID thing coming, there are two more things that we have come up. One is a gown for the medical fraternity, mm-hmm. which now was only, though there are a lot of gown companies and who are giving in non-woven material, mm-hmm. Special gowns where even the blood and other things do not enter or do not touch the inside clothes, which a non-woven product cannot do. So we made special gowns for this, which are being tested, and doctors have really liked it. We're commercially launching those gowns made from our film. We're also, launching a special new type of mask, very different from the masks which are available today. Injectionally molded plastic mask. Inside there'll be a cloth which will more than likely will have an anti-COVID coating over it. This is going to protect consumers, and this will have a very long shelf life for the customer. All they have to do is they can replace the cloth which is there in between the two layers of plastic body, and we've washed many times, and therefore the shelf life will be extremely longer versus what is available today in the market. So it is also going to be far more sustainable, because consumers today have to use and throw the mask, and that itself is creating a lot of unnecessary waste for the humankind. So that's another very large opportunity that we see. The production again is supposed to come very soon. Other than this, we are looking forward to expand in other areas. We have some time back, 8-9 months back, set up a new legal entity, which is Cosmo Specialty Chemicals. Great thing is that even in this COVID era, we were able to start up a new project, and the commercial production is starting within next 2-3 days. So we'll start producing master batches, specialty master batches to begin. As a second step, we are also coming with the chemicals for processing raw cotton to a finished cotton, which requires several chemicals. And the key USP that we are bringing into the product is we are going to reduce the water consumption for the textile mill, which is extremely critical, and again, from a sustainability perspective, a great product. So that is again something that we are saying to be a major expansion from our side. The third thing we feel is that, especially now, most people are not able to go outside. They're missing on the social side. The families are getting smaller. And therefore, we thought that the pet space, which is pet animal space, very interesting to look at, and there are no organized players. So within the next 12 months, we are going to do a pilot launch of this project. We are yet to name it. There's a lot of groundwork which is happening. We just changed the object clause of our company. Our earlier object clause did not have pet animals as a space. So if you see the number of pets which people are keeping, and more families are thinking about keeping a pet because they're missing the society at large. I think this is only going to increase with let's say more mobiles, more digital. People are preferring to stay more at home, and therefore they want a companion at home, and smaller families. So I think that is another area that should be a growth area for us. So I think we have plenty of things to work on.
New things are coming up, and Pankaj, I believe this segment is working hard to ensure that our generation will have all the comfort at home and is not missing anything at large. So when you talk about the transformation and you vividly talk about the growth of this particular segment around the opportunities and other things, can you also share that what kind of direct and indirect employment opportunities this segment will have in quarters to come and years to come as we expect this growth to happen?
Yes, so see, first on the transformation side itself, we are working to make Cosmo a paperless organization, highly automated organization. And, we have recently signed up to move our ERP system from old version of SAP to SAP HANA. We are implementing a documentation management system, and we're also creating a team for artificial intelligence and data mining, which can bring a lot of artificial intelligence and automation into the whole process. We've also set up an incubation center within the company, so a lot of new ideas can come up on the table, and those new things can be implemented with the help of R&D department and the artificial intelligence people and everybody else in the organization. Now coming to the employment opportunities itself, I'm very proud to say that where most of the organizations had been reducing their headcount, we have hired at least 30-40 people even during these COVID days. So last 3-4 months we have been hiring in R&D, in artificial intelligence, in legal, in finance, in new businesses. So we have been doing a lot of hiring, and I think within next 18 months we expect to bring at least 150 to 200 new people on board. So there are plenty of growth opportunities that we are able to create as a company.
Okay. So, Pankaj, can you also share about something more about growth when we talk about the segment as a whole? Because this segment itself, if I talk of films business, is a big business, and we have seen various players in India also part of this business. So when you talk about the segment, what kind of new innovations are going to come in this particular segment in quarters to come or years to come?
So as I said, one of the biggest innovations we feel could be anti-COVID film, which can have endless, applications as such. So that we feel is one of the very great innovations that can come. Other than this, the sustainability itself will become a very key thing in the times to come. Last 3 years, if you really see, the consumer perception had been going negative around plastics. Consumers felt and saw a lot of plastics on roads and sea and so on and so forth. As a company, we are working on two things. One is we are trying to bring a lot of recyclable solutions for our customers and end consumers. We are extremely successful in bringing a recyclable structure for noodles, for soap, for shampoo pouch. And then what you would see is that over the times to come, just like your milk pouches today recycled, or even the water bottles today are recycled, or let's say the car plastic body parts are being recycled today, you will find that a lot of multi-layer plastics will get recycled if the structure becomes homogeneous and a great commercial value for the consumers and for the end customers. So I think that is one great drive that we have started as a company to push for sustainability for the customers at large. The second thing is we are working on a sustainability in a very big way. This sustainability is a key theme in the company for us. So we are saying that we are going to be water positive at all our plants. That we will reduce waste production by double-digit number within this company. That we are going to have the process waste being recycled within the process by 10 to 15% more. To create new parts out of the process waste that is happening today. We buy some, or we will get some multi-layer waste from the market and try to recycle that. So a host of things we are going to work towards reducing pollution. We have planted 5,000 trees, fruit-bearing trees in Aurangabad city, help local farmers and improve environment. So I think sustainability as a key theme where we are looking at air, water, and the product that we make, that how can we improve the sustainability. I think those are the two critical things. So make films which are far more sustainable and recyclable, and therefore help improve the perception around plastics. Because if you really see, plastics in itself has the lowest carbon footprint. It is really a magical material. We talk about glass, aluminium, paper, everything else has a far bigger carbon footprint for mankind. Therefore, this plastic only went up, which not just reduced carbon footprint, but it also, it also reduced cost for the consumer. As a simple example, a ketchup coming in a glass bottle sells for 130, 140 rupee per liter. It is coming in a multi-layer plastic. It is for maybe 90 rupees. So it is 30-35% cheaper. And all this is not happening because it is, glass is getting replaced with plastic. It is also happening because you're saving on transportation cost at every step, while packaging material, while packing itself, while transporting it to the to the wholesalers, from wholesalers to distributors, and distributors to
In the entire supply chain.
the entire supply chain. Your carbon footprint is cutting in a big way. The only thing we as a company or industry at large can do is to make it recyclable so that it can be used again, and therefore the whole perception around plastics can improve substantially.
Okay. So now we come to our last curiosity, which is to do more in person with you. So what were the sources of inspiration for you, which helped you to achieve and sail through various turbulence, which you would have faced along the way? Being so successful, and our viewers would like to know that if you could probably share with them some stories or some kind of reminiscence, if you have, to talk about the inspiration what you have got from your childhood or from your youth life.
Yes, so see, some of the things that I always recall. One is when I was getting younger, my mother always used to tell me that, Pankaj, you must try again. Don't give it up, because you give up things in your mind. What you need to do is to try, and once you make another try, many things which are remaining unsolved in your first attempt may be sorted out in second attempt or third attempt. I had many successful stories as a child. Initially, I used to give it up, and then my mother always used to encourage me that, Pankaj, please give a try. I used to get better results. So that theme I still take with myself, and I tell my colleagues as well that do not give it up. And actually in Cosmo Films itself, when I joined 10 years back, many things, people used to tell me, see, we had tried this, but we failed. One of the few things that we did was, we had steel flanges coming and a plastic core coming for internal use. So first time we said that, see, we are wasting so much of paper core every time. People used to come back and say that, look, we had done this plastic core trial in the past, failed. And I said, you might have failed, but technically I see no reason why it should not succeed again. If textile industry has already done it, why industry? Maybe we are a little bit more slippery, but I think we can do something around it. And then we did it second, third attempt, we were successful. And month, not just we save around 2.5 lakh rupees, which in overall scheme is small, but important is we are saving those many tons of paper getting waste every month. So we have started saving 9 to 10 tons of paper core getting wasted, which was happening earlier. Now is a reusable material where shelf life is 10, 15, 20 times. So that is one very great thing that I learned. The second thing that I learned is when I started doing my CA, our partners used to tell us the importance of discipline. Great story was sharp at 9. Those are early days, 25 years old, back stories. The attendance register used to go into the partners room. And even if we are 2 minutes late, we used to have a really hard time. We had 2-3 choices, either to go in the partners room, take the beating that why are you late and why you need to be late. Second is go back and next day take the beating from the partner. Third thing is do not do the attendance, sit outside and still take the beating. So either is, he used to teach us that, the importance of discipline and hard work. I remember we used to had balance sheets to be signed within 6 to 7 days after the end of quarter. We used to work like anything. There was a point in time where we worked 60 hours non-stop. Going to the washroom, we did not go anywhere else. So I think those discipline and those traits of hard work, I think I still carry, and I encourage everyone that if you have to grow, obviously you need to be smart, but you need to keep trying and you need to work hard. At times there are occasions when you have very tight deadlines, you have to work on those deadlines, and you cannot say that I can't meet them, because that's not the solution. Then you have to end up doing something very critical, develop a product in a very short time frame.
Mm-hmm.
Very interesting, one of our customers had major challenges.
Mm-hmm.
Expected us to deliver in 15 days, and we were able to deliver that in third day. And he was amazed to see the speed at which the R&D worked together and provided them a solution in 3 days. And I mean, we won that customer for life, I believe.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, obviously.
Yeah. So I think those are some of the important things that you learn. Analytical skills was again something that during my professional life that I learned, and I use it so much that you need to think differently and you need to analyze situations. You always need to see, can this be done a little differently? The whole world is trying to do this. Maybe there is a unique solution to it. And though I am a non-engineer, but I can tell you many times I provide so many innovations to the team.
Mm-hmm.
I'm thinking that can it be done differently? And obviously I can't do it because I'm not an engineer. Solution is provided by engineer. But the actual clue at times also comes from my side, because I had built this tendency that can this be done differently? And I think that's a very critical set. And I think in today's world, the things are moving so fast, innovations are happening so fast. And the only reason is that these are the people who think differently. These are the people who think, Zomato is a great example, who thought that, food can be delivered from any restaurant to any residence. And that happened because somebody thought that people standing everywhere and they can bring things from different restaurants and give it to different consumers.
Correct.
Life is getting easier in that way, and that is basically possible because a lot of innovation, a lot of these startups are coming with new innovation, and I think existing companies are being challenged on that. The role of the existing companies also to start thinking differently, and that's why we are challenging ourselves. That we cannot just do film. Within films also we have to do a lot of innovation, but we have to look at opportunities even in these tough COVID times so that we can bring innovation to the table and bring some new solutions to our customers.
So these were the talks of Mr. Pankaj Poddar, sharing his views and doing some mind and heart talks. It was great interacting with you in Vyapt Growth Series, Pankaj.
Thank you, Pankaj. Thanks, Satan.